Hi, today we are going to explore the fascinating world of LC circuit and get ready to learn how they work and how can you build your own. So, I am Atanu and you are watching the What World.
In today's video, we will learn what is LC circuit, working principle of LC circuit, build your own and the procedure and experiment with the circuit, and last of all the conclusion. So first of all, we have to know how the LC circuit made. L means the inductor and C means the capacitor. So we will make this circuit from inductor and capacitor. We will learn in this video why the inductor and capacitor blocks AC voltage and only passes the DC current, and we get the pure DC form. And yes, we will also prove this with the oscilloscope. And yes, I made this oscilloscope with my hands. But before that, we need a full bridge rectifier circuit. Do you know about rectifier circuit? If you don't know, then here is the short explanation about the full bridge rectifier circuit and how will you make this and how it will work. To make this full bridge rectifier, you all need 4 diodes in this series shown in the picture. I am connected the probes with the output of the transformer and it is showing pure sine wave. And now I connected the probes at the output of the full bridge rectifier and see, this is the half wave. So you see here, this is the DC voltage, but this is not the pure DC voltage, because in this voltage there are many AC signals are mixed, many frequencies are mixed. So we have to extinguish the all of the AC signals and we need only the pure form of the DC, like the voltage of the battery. So basically we have some formulas and I am not going to explain everything in here, so you can go through my website and there I posted an article about that, so you can read through and you will understand better. We have the hertz frequency in our country India, so basically here the value of omega almost 314. Resistance for the AC voltage here is almost 94.2 kilo ohm. So with this massive amount of resistance, it is difficult to flow the AC voltage. So that is why inductor blocks the AC but not the DC. Okay, you understand how a LC circuit works. So let's build it yourself. For build it, we need some components. Here you can see I posted all the circuit diagrams and everything with the Gerber board PCB design on my website. You can check them with the link given in the description box. So let's build it. Okay, so basically you can see here I do this all setup and here is my oscilloscope over here. Maybe you not just notice the twist over here. So basically when I connect the probe over here with the AC and the AC, so you can get a full sine wave over here, right? But when I connect the ground wire to the here one pole of the capacitor, and when I connect this one over here, so you will get a pure sine wave form over here. You can see here when I touch it, the purely sine wave form over here. So basically that is the function of the LC circuit. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video and please like, comment and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you.